Welcome to our tutorial on how to delete a message in Gmail on your PC. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to follow. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail by launching your web browser and navigating to the Gmail website. Step 2. Hover your cursor over the message you want to delete. You will notice that a series of icons appear on the right side of the message. Step 3. On the right side of the message, locate and click on the Delete icon. This will instantly delete the message, removing it from your inbox permanently. Deleting messages in Gmail is a great way to declutter your inbox and remove unwanted or unnecessary messages. However, please note that deleted messages cannot be recovered, so make sure you only delete messages that you no longer need. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Happy deleting.